you dig? Ain't going home, so I better go big.
Welcome back, boys and ghouls. My name is Missy Bones, and welcome to your Slice of Hell on Monday. Joined with...
WarHorse!
As we return to slay the Spire.
Yeah, go kick some bitches!
Alrighty. So we're gonna start with a nice enemy.
I mean, they're not nice, but like...
No, but a warm-up.
Ooh, armaments!
Ritual dagger.
No, shrug it off.
Alright.
Trust me. Because now we can use shrug it off. And then we can use... Motherfucker! Iron Wave. On far right. Can we play the Curse of the Bell?
No.
Shit! I don't want to use Ritual Dagger yet.
Well then, I guess we end our turn.
Because fucking Curse of the Bell got rid of Clash.
Ooh.
Barricade! Motherfucker. Let's see. Hold on.
I'm sorry, but what else do you think we're going to be doing here? We no longer have to get rid of block. I'm sorry, but that's a really good power.
Right. It happened. Wait. Armaments. What does that do to barricade? Why?
It instantly does it!
I thought it let you look at it first.
No, it just instantly does it!
I heard you double tap the button.
No!
Fuck. Yes, barricade.
Defend is free now.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, defend and then defend.
Uppercut?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It's not really a good idea, I think, to have a bajillion cards in your hand.
Yeah.
But the more cards we have, the less likely it is to get a bunch of bullshit in our... Okay. Uppercut on the guy on the far right. No.
Okay.
End turn.
Ooh. Dual wield?
Yeah. See, if we use Seeing Red, we wouldn't get any extra energy, and it would be exhausted. I'd rather use it when it's more appropriate.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
Come on, fatal card. No fatal cards. Okay, uppercut on...
Hold on. If we do uppercut on him, and we use both our body slams, we can
get rid of both of them.
Yeah.
Since we don't really need bite right now.
Clothesline? Or skip?
Clothesline. And now we're getting rid of a lot of those ethereal cards, because fuck them.
Yep.
Ooh! Do you understand what that does?
Yes. It's fucking awesome.
Demon form.
Ooh, and now this is free.
Oh, shit!
What?
We should have used dual wield first.
Do you want to do it now?
No.
Alright.
Fucking anger. And then defend. And then dual wield on bash. Now we have more bashes.
Yeah.
No. Listen here, you thorny bastard.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Bite?
No. I don't want to kill it yet. So, clothesline. Clash. Something specific I'm trying to do here.
Okay.
We're looking for feed. So, for right now,
Panache?
no.
Okay.
Go for the block. And that's all for now. Wait. What'd you do?
Moved us right along.
Okay, but...
Sorry.
fuck it, feed.
Whew.
+3 to max HP.
Yeah!
13 gold.
Carnage Plus. Iron Wave. Or Feel No Pain.
I feel like with some of the curses we've been getting, they get exhausted as soon as they're in your hand. That would give us a lot of block really fast.
Yeah. So...
However, Carnage seems like it would do a lot of fucking damage, so I'm gonna go with that.
Okay, fair enough. Question mark.
What?
That's what we're going towards.
Oh, yeah.
Navigating through the beyond, you discover a glowing tesseract spinning and shifting gently in the air.
Oh boy, this is Blitz's thing.
Interact.
I better take it home for him.
You touch it. A sharp pain flows through your body. So, followed by vivid flashes of distant memory. Whose memories are they?
Fuck it, add 3 cards.
Okay. Mind Blast, innate. These show up whenever you start combat. Deal damage equal to all the number of cards in your draw pile.
Wow.
The Bomb. At the end of 3 turns, deal 40 damage to all enemies.
Wow,
Sadistic Nature.
meh.
These two are...
Wait. Sadistic Nature is a... What?
It's a 0 cost.
Ooh, oh god. All
Whatever.
3 of them are good.
Yeah.
Cause the more cards we pick, the more powerful Mind Blast gets. Especially if we've got a fresh deck.
Yeah.
However, the Bomb is a lot of damage, but it's got a weight.
Yeah,
But Sadistic Nature, we're constantly applying weak and frail and shit to opponents. I'm gonna say Mind Blast. The longer the battle goes, the more powerful it gets.
Fair. Panic Button! Gain 30 block. You cannot gain block from cards for 2 turns.
Huh.
Trip. Apply 2 vulnerable.
It's not bad.
And Forethought. Put a card from your hand to the bottom of your draw pile. It costs 0 until played.
Technically, we could put that with some really expensive cards.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Forethought?
Yeah.
Alright. Trip. Discovery. Choose one of 3 random cards, add them to your hand. It costs 0 this
Yes.
turn. Okay. Proceed. The remains of a ghostly creature sink slowly into the mud, before you barely visible in the moonlight. You have proven yourself amongst your sisters. Standing victoriously, you wait in silence as the others ceremoniously place the creature's skull atop your head. The ritual has concluded. you head towards the spire.
That's the Silent.
You're correct. How did you learn about that?
Waiting room.
Fair.
There's a couple other guys in there. There's some bitch with a skull on her head and some robot.
Yeah.
Some other dude, but he was hiding, so I couldn't see him.
Another question mark.
Sure.
While walking and traversing through the chaos of the spire, your thoughts suddenly feel very real. Imaginings of monsters and riches begin to manifest themselves into reality. The sensation is quickly fleeting. What do you do? I am War. Fight a boss from Act 1, obtain a rare relic. I am Awake. Upgrade all cards, but you can no longer heal.
No.
I am Rich. Gain 999 gold. Cursed 2 normality.
I mean, I am War, so...
You want to go for fighting the first act boss?
A rare relic sounds pretty sweet.
Do you remember what it was?
Nope.
Okay, WarHorse. Just don't blame me.
I chose it. Why would I blame you? God damn it, Missy!
I warned you!
You didn't warn me what it was!
Mind blast.
Holy fuck!
Yes.
Wait.
Yeah.
What's the forethought do?
Put a card from your hand to the bottom of your draw pile. It costs 0 until...
Oh my god, use mind... Wait. Oh shit, no. Mind blast.
I wonder what armaments is like with forethought.
Try it.
Forethought plus. Put any number of cards from your hand to the bottom of your draw pile.
I'm gonna say use it, but then ignore it. And then just confirm. Twin strikes. Clash.
Alright.
Okay. No. Wait.
You said no!
I said no to that card.
Ugh.
You are moving too fast.
You got slimed.
Of course I did. Yes. So... Double defend, double bite.
Ooh.
And bite again.
Yeah.
So much health back.
And so low of its health.
Right?
So when it splits again and slimes you more, it shouldn't be as bad. Ooh, combust. At the end of your...
Feel no pain.
Feel no... Alright.
Haha, fuckers! Okay, so...
Yeah.
How much does feed do?
16. Ritual Dragger does 21.
Yeah, but that only works on the Ritual Dagger. So what I'm thinking... Discovery...
Headbutt. Intimidate.
Wait, what does Intimidate do? Let me see.
Apply 1 week to all enemies. And then it exhausts.
Headbutt. So, headbutt the guy on the left. How much health does he get? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Armaments. Ooh! Oh wait, that goes back on the deck, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, bite the guy on the left. And feed on the guy on the left. And then shrug it off. Wait. Yeah, shrug it off. Armaments. Ah, shit. Yeah, we're good. Middle... Yeah, Carnage. I can't remember what card it was, but I think it was Bludgeon.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Demon Form. Wait, what's Feel No Pain?
Whenever a card is exhausted, gain 3 block.
Okay, Demon Form. And Feel No Pain. And Carnage.
We did it!
Yeah.
50 gold. Tungsten Rod. Whenever you lose HP, lose 1 less.
That's nice.
A colorless potion.
And...
It's gone. Pommel Strike Plus.
Whoa! Dual Wield Plus.
Choose an attack.
Yes.
Add 2 copies of this card into your hand.
Imagine if we got 3 Demon Forms.
Now, if only we had the energy to play all of them.
Yes, but you don't have to play all of them, but if you get 2 copies, then they'll eventually cycle back through.
True.
And that's 6 damage, 6 power per turn.
That's fair. Alright.
Fuck me.
One more mystery. You happen upon a group of what looks like purple fire spirits dancing around a large bonfire. The spirits toss small bones and fragments into the fire, which brightly erupts each time. As you approach, the spirits all turn to you, expectantly.
Bonfire party!
Offer. Receive a reward based on an offer you make from your deck.
Sure. Let's see. We're not gonna want any of this basic bitch shit. Down. Carnage Plus.
Alrighty. Let's see how they react. Wait. No, hold on. Okay. You toss an offering into the bonfire. The flame erupts, growing significantly stronger. The spirits dance around you excitedly, filling you with a sense of warmth. You are healed to full HP.
Huh. Thanks, I guess.
Monster fight!
Yeah!
What is this thing? I feel like Blitz made this.
No. Maybe. Let's see.
Want to see what Mind Blast Plus looks like?
Kinda, yeah.
Armament.
Yeah.
Deal damage equal to the number of your cards in your draw pile, but it costs 1 less, it seems.
Sure. And then we can do Seeing Red,
Uh-huh.
so that we can do Bash.
Uh-huh.
I said Bash, but okay. Anyway, Bash.
Sorry,
We'll get more cards because we're out of cards. Fuck it, why not?
Ooh. Not bad for a first turn.
Right? Uppercut. I like Uppercut.
Fair. It's a good debuff card.
It's a good starter for a fight, too.
Yeah.
It's gonna sting.
Yeah, just a little. But you're not dying. Armaments?
Armaments.
Do I want to put it on the defense? Or...
Shrug it off.
Fair.
That'll give us more block, and we can body slam.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
12 gold.
I hate hemokinesis.
AC. Burning Pact?
Yes. Burning Pact. Because now we can exhaust bullshit cards in our hands.
If we draw them at the same time. Campfire.
Upgrade.
Yep.
Let's see. I'm thinking
Demon form.
either Demon Form or Impervious. What do you think?
Let me look at the map real quick.
Fuck it. Demon Form.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because that's a lot of strength we can build up really fast.
It is. Plus there's in the campfire, so we can do it later.
True.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
fuck! Oh,
What
God!
the fuck?
I know what this is!
Oh my god!
Okay, we need to do something very specific. Yes, Mind Blast.
Okay.
Okay, we're safe.
Why are we... What?
He takes damage down.
As he takes damage.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say bite, feed, fuck it, seeing red, clash, and we'll get more cards. Motherfucker!
I wonder what happens.
Nothing. So use it, why not? Look at another card, shrug it off for block. Little discovery, fucking pick a card.
Barricade and it costs 0.
Yes! Fuck yes! Shut the fuck up, telephone!
Uppercut?
Wait.
Yes.
Fire breathing.
Whenever you draw a status or curse card, deal 6 damage to all enemies.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, ow, ooch. Let's see. Defend. Ritual dagger. Twin strikes. Body slam. Meh. Ah, fuck it, play it. Wait. Yeah!
Metallicize.
That plus the barricade? Oh, good shit.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, this is...
We have to deal damage, though, or else it's gonna kick our ass.
What's headbutt do again?
15 damage. Put a card from your discard pile on the top of your draw pile.
Yes.
Mind Blast?
No, armaments.
Okay, don't just say yes. Because that doesn't tell me shit.
Yes, we're gonna use it.
Okay.
Armaments.
It would still get past our block if we used Demon Form.
By a little bit.
Okay. This was your choice.
Yes.
I'm stating this for the record if Scarlet comes for me.
We'll only take 6 damage because it's only gonna do... Hey! We're gonna take fuck all damage.
Fair enough. Carnage.
No. Yes.
Impervious.
Aw.
So many armaments.
So what I'm gonna say...
Uh-huh.
Armaments on the armaments.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why.
Fair enough.
Wait. Burning Pact. Sacrifice and defend. Anger, of course. Body slam.
This is still going to hurt.
Only a little. Only a little.
Infernal Blade.
Yep. Okay, 9 damage.
Yeah, not too bad.
Against this thing? Pretty fucking sweet. Hey, look! Impervious.
You know, you're much better at math than I thought you
Bash.
would be. Okay.
Maybe should have done 2 bites instead.
Yeah. Well, here goes nothing.
18 damage. And guess what? He's dead. So
Wait.
it doesn't matter what we pick.
Wait, why?
He's out of time.
Oh. So we won?
Yep.
Okay, 16 gold. And...
Power through seems interesting.
Okay.
Especially if we can combine it with cards that let us fucking do cool shit.
Yeah. Campfire!
Now the question. Do we heal for full? Or do we upgrade?
Let's look at the map. You know what? There's another fire coming
Another
up.
fire coming up. Yeah, so let's upgrade.
Okay. Impervious.
No.
No, you wanted that before, though.
I did. Armaments.
Okay.
Upgrade all cards in your hand for the rest of combat.
Fair enough. Left or right chest?
Right chest. I'm right-handed.
Okay, then. 49 gold. And Preserved Insect. Enemies in elite combats have 25% less HP.
Sweet.
Question mark. What the fuck is that?
Ugliest sin!
No.
Start with,
No, I want to see what this thing... Malleable. Upon receiving attack damage, gain 3 block. Blocking increases as malleable is triggered. Resets to 3 at the start of your turn.
So, let's start with Discovery.
Searing Blow?
Body Slam.
Okay.
Cheaper, stronger. I'm gonna say... Seeing Red. Thunderclap.
Mind Blast.
Mind Blast, of course. Damn!
Clash.
Clash. Weak little Body Slam, but still. God damn it.
Do I use it or
Yeah.
bite?
Yeah. Sure. What?
It just exhausted itself, I think. No? Alright.
Well, this is gonna suck.
Yep.
Juggernaut! I'm the Juggernaut, bitch!
Hey, careful.
What?
They may
Ow.
copyright strike us.
You can't copyright strike somebody for a line.
Fair. Impervious.
Ooh, no. Armaments and then Impervious. For a shit ton of block,
Uh-huh.
which will allow us to do Body Slam. And then Bite.
Nope.
No.
No.
Okay, forethought on Bite. God damn it!
I'm sorry.
Fuck you, we're gonna block it!
Ooh.
Inflame. Oh, we didn't have my specialty. Body Slam.
You don't want to build it up first?
Body Slam.
Okay.
There's reason. Feed.
Fair enough.
I like that disarm.
So do I. Campfire.
Yeah.
Am I healing?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna upgrade that other armaments.
Okay.
That's good shit.
Yeah.
Question mark.
Ooh, shop.
Oh. Wait, what the fuck?
It's a shop.
Sure. Metallicize!
Okay. I wonder what the... Upon pickup, raise your max HP by 14. Horn Cleat. At the start of your second turn, gain 14 block.
Maybe.
Membership card. 50% discount on all products.
Yes.
Sadistic nature.
No.
No.
I can't get potions, and that's not really interesting. About card removal. Like, check our deck real quick, see if there's anything we even want to remove. Besides, curse the little fucker.
Not really.
Nope. Nope. Seems pretty solid. So, let's move on.
Alright.
Wish we could sell shit.
I know, right?
Yeah, let's talk to the fucking... what's his name?
Oh, we'll get... Alright. Plus we get to heal, so...
Yeah.
Ooh. War Paint. Upon pickup, upgrade 2 random skills. Or Hand Drill. Whenever you break an enemy's block, apply 2 vulnerable.
I'm also looking at Juggernaut. But I also like that War Paint.
So I think we could get both.
Well, fuck it, why not?
Just enough.
Just barely.
Yay! Let's see what they actually upgraded, though.
It was... Really? You didn't pay attention?
It ran by too fast for me, okay?
I saw it!
Then what was it?
Down, 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 down. It was... the Power Through
Uh-huh.
and the Burning Pact.
Okay.
Oh, fuck that guy!
Oh, wow. Okay.
Alright, let's start with seeing red. I would like to... yeah, Mind Blast the guy on the right. Juggernaut. Clash the guy on the right. Bite the guy on the right. Just fuck him!
Yeah!
Oh shit, Twin Strikes to the right guy. We don't want to take a bunch of thorn damage. Ah! Impervious. Fucking, why not? Not corruption.
Alright.
None of these.
Alright.
What a bastard.
Disarm.
Armaments.
Alrighty.
Let's see.
11 to all enemies, which will kill him and start damaging him.
Yeah, but it might also hurt us for spikes. But you know what? Fuck it. Thunderclap. Yeah.
Oh, just got rid of our block. This should...
Yes. And then Bite will give us most of our health back from the spikes.
Yeah. Alrighty. For each time you lose...
Blood for blood.
Okay. Blood for blood.
Ah!
Feed.
Let me see. Yeah, feed.
Cool. Warcry Plus. Draw 2 cards, put a card from your hand onto the top of your draw pile, exhaust this card.
Carnage. Our deck is thick like a dump truck ass. Smith.
What's it? Plus?
No.
I'm just curious.
Maybe. No. Ooh. Wait. Metallicize.
Which we haven't used yet.
What about Juggernaut? What's it do?
Deal 7 damage instead of 5.
Okay, it's toss up between Juggernaut, Metallicize, and what is Mind Blast? Cheaper.
Basically, yeah.
Fuck it, Mind Blast.
Okay.
Just pop that damage right off the bat.
Ooh. Well, that looks intimidating.
I feel like it has to do with the cultists.
I think it does too.
Yep, it's the cultists.
What the fuck is that thing? Why is a ritual dagger in it?
That's a good question. So let's say we Mind Blast the fuck out of Cultist 1. Panache, it costs 0. Which will make Shrug It Off cost 0. Which will allow us to play Defend. Which will allow us to play... How much does Clash do?
16.
Okay, play Iron Wave on the second guy. Clash on the first guy. Should draw another card from Metallicize. Fuck yeah! Does damage because of fuck you. Juggernaut, yes please. Fuck!
Hey, we had a pretty good first hand.
Yeah, we're still taking a bit of damage though.
It's fine.
Fuck it. Body Slam. Yeah!
Alexa, stop.
I'm allergic to Alexa, apparently.
Sorry about that.
Oh god, that's a lot of hurt!
Oh no!
Wait. Uppercut. No, wait. Armaments. Disarm on far right.
That's
Uppercut on far right. That is a lot more tolerable.
Yeah. Even still, this is gonna hurt. Infernal Blade?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna sting quite a bit.
Ooh.
Ah!
Thank you, Tungsten Rod, for taking 1 point of damage off of each of those.
Right. Okay, so, let me think. We can body slam the first guy to death. Then we can... I'm thinking body slam, bite.
Yeah, we need the health back. Nope. There we go.
I was gonna say, hold the fuck up.
This shouldn't get through the block, so...
Metallicize!
Again! Hopefully this shouldn't get through a block. Yay, we didn't! Okay.
Hold on. Oh.
Do you want to add in a couple more anger?
No. Headbutt.
My mind is on either Mind Blast or Armaments Plus.
I have a plan.
Run it by me.
Shrug It Off would allow us to get a lot of block if we do the multiplier,
Yeah,
and also get a bunch of cards in our hand.
fair.
However, no, Mind Blast. It's gotta be Mind Blast.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, it adds it back into our deck?
Yep.
Fuck!
Top of the deck. That's why I asked, you want to get a punch of anger?
Fuck it, anger. Bash. and then dual wield on body slam. Metallicize! That's still gonna hurt, but we're getting a good chunk of block for free every turn.
Yeah?
Ah! Oh, hey, impervious. Wait! Armaments. Impervious. Mind Blast. And we're in the clear.
Okay.
Metallicize. We have so many fucking Metallicize. Why aren't we getting them?
Count your blessings.
1.
Am I using it?
You're using Seeing Red first. Then, Demon Form. Metallicize. Infernal Blade. Sure, Cleave. And then both of the defense. Then we should get, like, fucking... Oh, yeah, Disarm. Should get a fair chunk of block. Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Metallicize. 2 Metallicize!
Discovery.
Battle Trance, Shrug It Off, or Iron Wave.
Shrug it off. So, Metallicize. Shrug it off. Metallicize. Power through. Disarm. Forethought. Fuck it, why not? And then... Wound. Fuck it, I don't care. Means we're definitely getting a wound next turn, but that's okay.
Flex?
Armaments. Oh, wait, Juggernaut! Oh my god, Juggernaut's gonna hurt so hard!
Yeah. Speaking of...
Juggernaut. Shrug it off.
Ooh. I think we can
Double
end
body slam. What?
What? Nani?
Nani the fuck? Infernal Blade.
Okay. It's still going? What the fuck?
Oh great, it's awake. And it has healing.
And it's rapidly growing spikes?
Or feathers, I don't know.
Okay.
I think...
Uh-huh.
Dual wield... on body slam. And then we can crank out damage with body slam if we... Oh, we can't handle that attack! Fuck!
Well. It's been a good run.
Defend.
Okay.
And then just multi-body slam. Now, how much block do we get? That's going to determine whether we live or die.
What? Bludgeon?
Bludgeon's nice.
17.
Not enough! Not enough! Bailing! Bailing!
What?
Pull my heart out of my chest, clear my mind so I'll forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, take me out and fill the hole. Turn me